The defense's medical expert said he didn't prepare any notes in preparation for coming in and testifying. You want to know why I don't believe him? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. I'm getting bitten up at night. It's a beautiful evening, and now I want to share this great information with you. So now, during the course of trial, the defense's medical expert gets up to testify. And after he's done being questioned by the defense attorney, I now have an opportunity to cross-examine him. And one of the things I'm going to be asking him is, hey, Dr. Jones, what records did you bring with you into court today? As a result of reviewing these medical records, did you write any notes? Oh, no, I didn't. You didn't review any notes. Are you telling us, doctor, that you have such a fantastic photographic memory that you can memorize all of these hundreds of pages of medical records? And I'd love to hear what he has to say. He's going to say, oh, no, I reviewed the records again. Well, when you reviewed it the first time, did you take any notes? No, I didn't. Well, how did you remember what was going on years later? Oh, I had to refresh my memory and review it. Defense medical experts typically have to review hundreds of pages of medical records, and there is no possible way they're going to remember every single detail unless they take notes. But do you know why most of them will turn around and say, no, I don't have any notes? It's because if he took notes, I have the opportunity, the legal right, to see every single note he wrote. I have the opportunity to cross-examine him on every single note that he took. Every document that he wrote, every comment, every single observation that he wrote, I have the opportunity to see it and then cross-examine him on those notes. And the doctor doesn't want that to happen. The defense attorney doesn't want that to happen. Because the moment I get a hold of those notes, now I'm going to have a field day on what he saw, what he wrote, what he observed. And I can spend a great deal of time going through each and every entry of his notes. But you will find that the best defense attorneys turn around and tell their doctor during preparation for coming in to testify, doctor, you didn't bring any notes with you, correct? You didn't make any notes as a result of reviewing this case, isn't that true? Nor did you write any report up as a result of your review, isn't that correct? Because the moment the doctor says, yes, I did, now I'm entitled to see that note, I'm entitled to see that record, I'm entitled to see that report, and I can cross-examine the doctor on all of those notes and records. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight into what goes on during the trial process in a case involving accidents or medical malpractice or even wrongful death here in New York. You know, I recognize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions and you need answers to those questions, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.